Hi guys, so new set of knives. These were ordered specially from a friend of mine on Facebook, a guy called George Leeming from Cool Blades, and the idea is that I found a design of knives that I liked. They weren't quite right for me, so I commissioned a custom set from George, and this is how they've arrived. So I'm really excited to open them up. Thought I'd open them on camera so you get to see what I see. See what you think, guys. So from what I've seen of George's work, they're exceptional blades he produces. So let's have a look. Oh, nice little custom sticker there as well. All about the presentation, George. Well done. It's like Christmas, can't believe it. So I've waited a few weeks for these, but it's understandable because obviously we've had lockdown to contend with, which has meant we've had some issues with getting hold of the steel, etc. But George has been really good at keeping in touch with me all the way through the process and showing me where he was up to. So the original style of blades that I was looking for were an arrow style, but a slightly chunkier version of an arrow. And this is what he's made. Absolutely exceptional. So this is hard ox steel. These are 6mm thick. The grinds are absolutely phenomenal on these. The balance is slightly handle heavy, which is really good for no spin throws, and that's just what I wanted. So yeah, so that's absolutely perfect in design. I also wanted something that was smooth in the hand but a good grip. George, you've absolutely knocked it out of the park with these, mate. Absolutely fantastic. I was worried about the tip being quite fine, but with the thickness of the steel, it's not as thin as it looks, so that should stand up to some punishment. But yeah, absolutely beautiful knives, well finished, well made knives. Let's have a look at the others. Absolutely beautiful. You wrap them well, George. Try and get into them. Look at that. Beautiful looking blades. Well, there's only one thing left to do, and that's see how they throw. Hopefully as good as they look. Thank you very much. Anybody thinking about ordering from George, go ahead and do it. You'll not be disappointed. That's George Leeming at Cool Blades. Good penetration into the board, absolutely